Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a case of anencephaly in a pregnancy of about 20 weeks. You can see the brain matter of the fetus with no skull vaults visible. Skull bones are missing. Anencephaly is a lethal congenital anomaly that can be detected on ultrasound as early as 11 weeks of gestation. If some amount of neural tissue is present, the condition is termed exencephaly. Polyhydramnios is usually associated with neural tube defects. No treatment option is available for anencephaly. Now you can see both the eyes of the fetus, face of the fetus. These are the eyes of the fetus. Anencephaly can theoretically be diagnosed as early as 8 weeks. However, it can be missed in the first trimester. There is 100% accuracy in the second trimester for this diagnosis by ultrasound. One study showed sonography alone was 97% sensitive and 100% specific in diagnosing an open neural tube defect. By ultrasound, the appearance will resemble Mickey Mouse ears. Additionally, a measurement from the top to the head to the rump, crown rump length or CRL is significantly reduced in affected features in the first trimester. In the affected fetuses in the first trimester. You can see the fetal cardiac activity. Now you can see the spine of the fetus, and the spine is small. Some sacral vertebrae are missing. This is hand of the fetus. It looks echomechonormal. An infant born with anencephaly has some or most of the brain missing. These infants are unconscious, cannot feel, and are usually blind and deaf. Infants with anencephaly are stillborn in about 75% of cases. Newborn who survive die within several hours, days, or weeks. Again, you can see the spines, and you can see some of the sacral vertebrae are missing. This is a small spine. Anencephaly is when the neural tube fails to close at the base of the skull. Neural tube defects may be caused by genes passed on from both parents and by the environmental factors. Some of these factors include obesity, uncontrolled diabetes in the mother, and some prescription medicines. The findings demonstrate that anencephaly can be reliably diagnosed at the routine 10 to 14 weeks ultrasound scan, provided a specific search is made for the sonographic features for this condition. Now you can see the placenta is anteriorly attached, and the pregnancy measures about 20 weeks. Fetal cardiac activity is echomechonormal. Anencephaly is one of the most lethal congenital anomalies. Getting enough folic acid before and during early pregnancy can help prevent neural tube defects such as anencephaly. 400 microgram of folic acid every day is advised. Again, you can see the head of the fetus with missing cranial wall. The brain matter is visible. One disorder similar to anencephaly in some ways is microcephaly. A baby born with this condition has smaller than normal head circumference. Unlike anencephaly, which is apparent at birth, microcephaly may or may not be present at birth. It can develop within the first few years of life. Now you can see the genital of the fetus. You can see the male genitals. These are the genitals. Most cases of anencephaly are sporadic, which means they occur in people with no history of the disorder in their family. A small percentage of cases have been reported to run in families. However, this condition doesn't have a clear pattern of inheritance. Now this is the placenta and this is the fetal head side. This is the brain matter. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.